Understanding the phrase, have eyes for, in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase that often pops up in conversations about relationships and attractions. It's the phrase, have eyes for. Stick around as we dive into what it means and how to use it correctly. When someone says they have eyes for another person, it means they are attracted to that individual and are not interested in anyone else in a romantic way. It's like saying, I only see you. The phrase is often used to express loyal romantic interest. This phrase uses the word eyes as a metaphor for attention and interest. It dates back to when the idea of sight was synonymous with deep interest or focus. To have eyes for someone was to only notice them, as if no one else existed. Let's put this phrase into action. Here's how you can use it. Even in a crowded room, he only has eyes for her. She has had eyes for him since high school. Notice that the phrase can be used in different tenses depending on the context. While the phrase is clear in its romantic connotations, it's important to note that its use can be both serious and playful. In a light-hearted setting, friends might tease each other about having eyes for someone as a way of pointing out a crush. We hope this video has been enlightening and added a fun phrase to your English repertoire. Remember, language is not just about grammar. It's also about the colorful expressions that give it flavor. Have eyes for is one such expression that can add depth to your conversations about relationships. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more English language tips.